It's time for another geocaching adventure, and today on this episode we're going to go on the Myra Canyon, and we're doing it on our e-bikes, and we have a special guest with us. We have Kelso, a new BC resident and geocacher. Yeah, just stick to the side. And the geocache is right behind us.
Well, I got the first cache.
Woohoo! Yeah, what do you think so far?
It's high.
It's high.
It's high.
It certainly is. Take a look at that view. It's amazing. 3.7. It can't be down there. That would be pretty scary. Well, maybe it could be down there. 2.3. Oh, you found it. Oh, good for you. I was over there. Oh, I didn't look far enough. Nice. She's on a roll. And she's on the edge.
Good job, Kelly.
Good job, Kelso. Let's get that shot there. Nice.
My arrow's pointing well.
Great job. Look at that. Awesome. Ooh, look at all the toys. Yep. Great job on another geocache. Second one. First one we already had, and then this one, she spotted it right away. It's a good find. Thankfully not too far down the hill, and actually it's on the top. And Kelso was able to overcome her slight feeling of vertigo and get to the cache, and she's signing us in. Stopping for another geocache. This one we DNF'd a while ago, or a few years ago. Now we're going to take another shot at it, see if we can find it. Yeah, so got the cache, and we're just going to sign ourselves in, and we're going to go on ahead to the tunnel, and then maybe take in a virtual cache, and then this adventure will be over, because we got to get somebody out of here, because the heights are just not with her today. Got it. 2003, there was a fire, destroyed most of the trestles, and then they went undergone a reconstruction. It's awesome views here on the KVR. Unfortunately, Kelso is suffering from vertigo, which she just developed recently, and unfortunately put a little bit of a dampener on her day, but we're coaching her through it, and she's getting there. We're going to get up to the tunnel next and look for another geocache, which we couldn't find on our last time here about 3 years ago. made it through the tunnel and stopped, talked to a group of people that are just checking out geocaching, told them what the requirements were for this one, which is get the information from a rail that's on display before, who the sponsor is for the trestle just before the tunnel, and then a picture at your location here at the south entrance to the tunnel. So we got all that. We're going to go back and make our way back and finish up. Thank you for joining us on this adventure today at the trestles. Pretty cool, huh?
It was beautiful.
Little
We
high.
made it to the cave.
Yeah.
And we got the virtual.
Yeah. So join us again. And remember, where will geocaching take you? Okay, let's do it again. And remember, where will And remember,
Where will
geocaching take you?